Secret that dentists don't want you know: remove tartar and teeth whitening in home itself. You will notice amazing results from the first use. In today's video, we're diving into the world of natural dental care with our homemade recipes to remove tartar and whiten teeth using everyday ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Say goodbye to expensive dental treatments and hello to a brighter, healthier smile, all from the comfort of your own home. This 3 homemade recipes, simple but very effective for removing tartar and whitening teeth. Let's start with one by one. Recipe 1, using cloves, turmeric, salt, lemon. First up, we'll explore the powerful properties of clove, known for its antibacterial and analgesic qualities, making it an excellent ingredient for combating tartar buildup and soothing gum inflammation. Next, we'll harness the brightening power of turmeric, a natural teeth whitener that can help remove surface stains and promote overall oral health. Then, we'll introduce salt, a gentle abrasive that aids in scrubbing away plaque and tartar while also balancing the pH levels in your mouth for a fresher breath. And finally, we'll add a touch of lemon, which not only offers a refreshing burst of flavor but also contains citric acid to help dissolve stubborn tartar and lighten tooth discoloration. By combining these natural ingredients, you'll create a potent homemade remedy that not only removes tartar but also leaves your teeth looking visibly whiter and healthier. Apply the mixture. Gently brush your teeth with the mixture, using circular motions to ensure thorough coverage. Pay extra attention to areas with tartar buildup or staining. See the visible result with bright smile with white teeth. Recipe 2, using garlic, turmeric, baking soda. Natural dental care with a simple yet effective recipe to remove tartar and whiten teeth using ingredients straight from your kitchen cabinet. Get ready to say goodbye to stubborn tartar buildup and hello to a brighter, healthier smile, all without the need for expensive dental treatments. First up, we have garlic, a powerhouse ingredient known for its antibacterial properties. Garlic helps to fight off bacteria in the mouth, reducing plaque formation and preventing tartar buildup. Next, we'll harness the brightening power of turmeric. This golden spice not only adds a vibrant hue to your dishes but also works wonders for whitening teeth. Its natural abrasive properties gently scrub away surface stains, revealing a whiter, brighter smile. Then, we'll introduce baking soda, another kitchen staple with fantastic teeth whitening properties. Baking soda helps to neutralize acids in the mouth, reduce plaque formation, and gently polish away stains for a noticeably whiter smile. And finally, we'll add a dab of toothpaste to the mix for its fluoride content, which helps strengthen tooth enamel and protect against cavities. By combining these natural ingredients, you'll create a potent homemade remedy that effectively removes tartar and leaves your teeth looking visibly whiter and healthier. Dip the brush into the mixture. Gently brush your teeth with the mixture, using circular motions to ensure thorough coverage. Pay extra attention to areas with tartar buildup or staining. You will get healthy, radiant smile with natural way. Third recipe, using turmeric, salt, lemon and coconut oil. First up, we have turmeric, a golden spice renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Turmeric not only helps to combat tartar buildup but also gently lifts surface stains, leaving your teeth looking noticeably whiter. Next, we'll incorporate salt, a natural abrasive that aids in scrubbing away plaque and tartar while also balancing the pH levels in your mouth for a fresher breath. Then, we'll introduce the zesty freshness of lemon. Packed with citric acid, lemon helps to break down stubborn tartar and brighten teeth for a radiant smile. After that, we'll add coconut oil to the mix. Coconut oil is not only antibacterial but also acts as a natural cleanser, helping to remove plaque and promote gum health. And last but not least, we'll include a dollop of toothpaste for its fluoride content, which helps strengthen tooth enamel and protect against cavities. By combining these natural ingredients, you'll create a powerful homemade remedy that effectively removes tartar and leaves your teeth looking and feeling cleaner and brighter. Dip the damp toothbrush into the homemade mixture. Gently brush your teeth with the mixture, using circular motions to ensure thorough coverage. Pay extra attention to areas with tartar buildup or staining. Wash the mouth and see the visible whiteness in your teeth. So join us as we embark on this journey to achieve a radiant smile the natural way. Stay tuned for our DIY recipes for optimal oral hygiene and confidence in your smile. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe more homemade natural recipes.